city's midnight tide. Echo shatter calm of night, moon's disdain in stark twilight. Streetlights blink like taunts of fate. In this maze we captivate. Broken glass and cigarettes, ghosts of dreams and dark regrets. Steel and concrete weave a tale in this urban neon veil. Roaring engines hum a tune, skylines edge a silver moon. Footsteps quicken as thoughts race in this city's hidden grace. Echo shatter calm of night, moon's disdain in stark twilight. Streetlights blink like taunts of fate. In this maze we captivate. Alleyways and hidden doors, echoes of forgotten